Hey, welcome to Best Biz Tip of the Day. Today I'm going to share with you a simple way to remove assembly from an estimate without actually having to delete it. For example, you may have a completed estimate and at the last minute they want to omit the rooftop unit number 3. Or maybe they decide to make rooftop unit number 3 an alternate. Or for whatever reason, they change your estimate. We all know we all hate that when it happens. But so a simple way to do this is after you're finished with your estimate, you can go to Assembly Summary, and then you can find rooftop unit number 3. You can open it up, go to Assembly Details, and all you have to do is change the assembly quantity from 1 to 0 and hit Save. That's all there is to it. Now this assembly is still there, but it's not going to have any value to the estimate. So you can bring it in and out at will. So it's just a simple way of being able to delete it from the price. So I hope that helps. It's a simple trick. I know that you can actually make this more complicated by putting in whole units of things, like if you're doing apartment complexes and you have a type C unit, you can put everything as type C, and then you can go in and zero all type C units out if they delete the type C unit. So this just zeroing out your assembly quantity sometimes becomes great information to know. Have a great day. Thank you very much.